Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Today I would like to reflect briefly on one of the most well-known and beloved Psalms of them all, Psalm 23. The psalm begins this way: "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in right paths for his name's sake." These verses convey the psalmist's deep trust and confidence in God, that God is always with us, and that God always wants what is best for us. The psalm continues, "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, these comfort me." Even in our darkest times of trouble or confusion or doubt or loss or despair, this verse reminds us that God is there with us, not to fix us, not to solve our problems, but to walk with us along the path of suffering. "You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord for years to come." These verses, I think, are amazing because they indicate just in how high esteem God holds each one of us. It tells us that God prepares a meal for us, fills up our wine glass, that God anoints our head. This is something that is reserved for kings, and that God wants us to dwell with him in his house forever. Psalm 23 is truly one of the most beautiful and clear expressions of God's overwhelming and generous and gracious love for us all. Thank you for watching the daily message, and please have a good day.